Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating strings, and in today's class we will learn about one of the super important concept called substring. Substring, as name suggests, is a part of a string. We refer substring as a part of a string. Now how do we extract a part of the string and why do we extract it? When you read a lot of big emails and you're trying to find some malicious information, who knows, some terrorist plotting some terror attacks somewhere. And as part of the police force or intelligence, you are writing a Java program to read tons of emails and trying to find some of the keywords that it may have, and then only go and read and open those emails and read it. That way you save your time. You are not going to read millions of emails. That's one just example. Like this, there are a lot of examples where you use string manipulation. But now in that case, how do you find that there is a word in that one? In order to find that, you need to find and you need to learn how to extract information between given position 1 to position 4th or 5th or so on. Java provides you a substring function using which you will give the position number and it will return you a set of or part of the string back to you. Again, the use is very simple. Assuming that you have a string A, all you have to do is to say A dot substring, and then you give the starting position and ending position. If you don't give an ending position, it will go to the end of the string. So let's say if I say CodeMode.us, and from this I want to find things between 3rd character to 5th character. So if I say, if this is my A equal to, I'm going to say A dot substring, and I'll say starting with 3rd position and up to 5th position, return me everything. And of course this is going to return me a string, so I'll say string B equal to A dot substring, like this. So starting with 3rd position, so this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Starting with 3rd, which is this, 4, 5th, this is 5th, EMO. But the catch here is it does not include the 5th character. It says starting with 3, go up to 5 but do not include 5. So it will return me OND. That's it. So you have to remember, if you want to go up to 5th and you want to include 5, then go up to 6. In this case, I want to go up to 6 so that it can include 5th character. If I don't give the second value is optional. If I don't give second value, and if I take, again, if I say A equal to CodeMode.us, and I want to find out, I want to get everything starting with 7th character, I will say A dot substring and I will only pass 7. What it means is Java will automatically start with 7th position and go all the way to the end. Because I'm not saying go, I'm not giving an ending point. Java assumes to the end, goes to the end. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Starting this, go all the way, it will return E.us. And that's how Java, this is how, using the substring, you are able to extract a piece of information. Now, why this is so powerful? Suppose you want, I have given you a string again, and I'll take again the same example. If I say x equal to CodeMode.us, and I ask you to find what is the domain of this string, this, what is the domain? And I'm referring this part. Is this .com or is this .us? How do you do that? You find the position of dot first, and you get the position number. You add 1 to it, which is this part, right? From here onwards, anything that you get it, you understand to get the domain. So the way you write your logic is first find the index of, remember the index of function we used? We use index of to find the position of dot. Whatever value we get it, add 1 to it. and that becomes your starting position for substring. And that way you should be able to get .us or US. Go ahead and give it try, write your own code, experiment with it. CodeMode has full-fledged code editor. You should be able to either write program as part of this course itself, or you can go to the code editor from the top menu and write the program. Whatever you choose, definitely practice, because practice is the only way to learn coding. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys again.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.